What's up guys, we just cleaned both of our cars and we're gonna pull Nick's car in so he can weld his exhaust up. I got my death fluid right here. Not death, but death. Liquid death, yeah! But we're gonna pull Nick's car in and he just has to weld up a little spot that he cut through because he's dumb. Because he thought he had to cut his exhaust off, but he didn't. So he's gonna pull that in right now. Uh-oh. No. Don't do it. I'm gonna cut the camera here and yell at him.
It's loud. It's louder than I thought it was.
Beamer is in the garage. So lift this thing up and just throw a weld where we need to. And then we're probably gonna run into town and grab a couple things from the store. Maybe, I don't know, get some food. We'll see. Here you go.
There.
Is it? Let me see those welds.
It's the decentest one I've done.
It's better than your floor pans. Just gotta clean the tips off so you can get a better ground. Ground. Oh. Power cable. Yeah, this will happen sometimes when you're welding with lots and lots of circuit protection devices, but you just gotta turn it back on and keep going. Nick's putting his kit back on because he took it off to wash it. And then we're gonna head into Concord, right, to get... Oh, you didn't tighten your axle bolts.
We're not leaving until we do that.
Quick update, we worked on Nick's radio a little bit just to see if we could get it working, and this kid who put the radio in... Not him, but the kid that owned the car before Nick, put the radio in, missed one wire, and that one wire was the wire that made the radio stop working. So the kid who put it in was basically an idiot.
And it wasn't like, it wasn't ripped out, it wasn't cut, it wasn't stripped.
It was just never put in.
But like bare wire, like brand new wire, just wrapped in electrical tape.
Because I don't know what was going through his head, but when we bought this, the radio didn't work, is what we were told. But clearly, he's just brain dead. Anyways, on to the next thing. I stole Nick's little Bluetooth thing that lets it work somehow, I don't know. But I put it in my car and the radio works, but all the speakers are blown. So I'm gonna work on that eventually. But
I've Pioneers all the way through my car.
Alright, no need to brag. Nick tightened his axle bolts because his car's a piece of shit and they come loose, and he's gonna put it on the ground, and then we're gonna head to Concord. Probably switch to GoPro because we might do some drifting. Why are you broke? Nick's mad because these only come in half-inch. Because you're dumb. Alright, me and Nick pulled up to the secret drift spot. We're gonna throw on his drift spares and hopefully not get kicked out. So let's do it. What spec are you torquing it to?
Like 100.
That's what I always do.
I don't really care, honestly, because I'm just doing donuts on it. You might want to move your car.
Okay. Are you gonna do that entry?
I was thinking about it, yeah.
Alright. Alright, move the car. Where the f my keys go? I'm gonna go over there. Back her up. Park right here. Get some outside shots.
Where do you want me to stand? Same spot?
Yeah, do one like over here and then move to the middle.
Alright,
I guess do whatever looks good. Car's so much quieter than his, so I guess I should have probably gone first. I'll do like a medium speed one at first. I'm gonna go do another one. I definitely feel like I need a smaller seat though. This thing's still throwing me around quite a bit. I felt good though. It wasn't too bad. Tires are a lot grippier than I'm used to though, so I gotta get used to that. I think they're at like 830 seconds. My other ones were like bald, so. Fuel cut thing. Doing that fuel cut thing again. Do you hear it? Like completely die? I can't notice it now. Oh, it's so annoying. I just lose completely lose power and then it comes back like halfway through my drift.
Weird.
Yeah, it's really weird. I wonder if that's like...
Is it low fuel or too much fuel?
No, dude, it's at half tank, so I don't know. Huh. It's really weird. I'll come in again though. I'm gonna try to like...
You want me to stand, like further in towards the building or further this way?
Were you in the middle that time?
Yeah.
I don't know which one looked better. Could you tell?
I'm gonna try going this way a little more.
Okay. I'm gonna try a faster entry and see if that helps. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I did it again! It's when I'm at full lock it does it. I don't know what it is. It's so weird.
Consistently doing it now?
Yeah. It's at half a tank, like it's not too low on gas.
That's weird.
I have no idea what it is. I'm gonna look into that tonight on some forums.
I would.
I'm gonna try first. Yeah, it's like really doing it now. Yeah. But yeah. It's like so weird.
Hot. it consistently doing it now?
Yeah. It's at half a tank, like it's not too low on gas.
That's weird.
I have no idea what it is. I'm gonna look into that tonight on some forums.
I would. Did it again?
Yeah.
Did it do it again? Yeah. Huh.
So weird. I guess I'll try one more and see if it maybe just doesn't do it for one, so I can get one good clip. Alright, I'm gonna try coming in faster this time. Is there? Is he bugging? Okay. I heard oh hell no for problems, so. Alright, he doesn't care. Thank you.
Thanks, appreciate it. There's a guy over there talking.
Is there? We got another guy talking to us. He doesn't care. No one around here cares, which is sick. Here you are, sir.
So quiet.
I know.
Like, I was expecting to be like ear rape.
You wanna just, bruh? Oh, it's because you hit the lock. It's fine.
I was memeing about.
Oh, we'll swap your tires over real quick, and then we should probably head out. We've been pretty loud here, so. Oh, dude, we still got like 30 seconds left. So, what do you say? You think you cooked them?
Ah, good for another day.
Yeah, probably. I think you could drive home on them. I checked my tires. They're pretty good. We got some 30 seconds left there. I definitely want to figure out that weird fuel cut issue. I think it's... Yeah, probably. Throw it on the ground and see if it pops. Just throw it on like a rock or something. Oh, that was an aggressive throw. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, he's running away. Dude, how did it not land on the face?
I don't know, dude. I thought it was.
That was like magic. Anyways, I still want to figure out what that fuel cut issue is. I think it's something to do with like fuel slosh in the tank, but I'm not sure because it only happens under wide open throttle when I'm like fully sideways, which makes me think that it could be fuel slosh, but at the same time I'm at half a tank of gas, so I don't really know why it would be affecting it that much at half a tank, but I guess I'll look into that later. Had a lot of fun out here. We got talked to by 2 different people that both thought it was cool, which was kind of sick. Otherwise, my car runs great. Nick's car is running great. He overheated a little bit, but Nick was absolutely ripping, so props to him for that. He's throwing on his other wheels right now because he absolutely cooked these tires.
You want to see the other one?
And, oh god, we got another tire reveal.
Oh, this one's not as bad.
Oh yeah, that one's fine, dude. You could drive on that.
Oh yeah, I would drive that one all day.
But we're gonna head over to a car meet that's happening nearby and see what happens there.
Bad boys, what you want?